Hare Krishna dear devotees, my name is Sharada. I am from Jagannath Puri, South MP. Today I am going to show you how to make dry fruits laddu. For that I will show you first ingredients. For this I took 1 cup of cashew nuts, 1 cup of almonds. This is of walnuts and pecano seeds, and this one raisins and pistachio, of raisins of pistachio and dates. Now I am going to roast these nuts in ghee. I will use first 1 spoon of ghee. I'll take 1 spoon ghee. First I want to roast almonds. So these almonds almost fried in ghee. You should not do too much, just lightly like that. Now I am taking these almonds in separate bowl. Again I am putting other ingredients. I will roast pecanos and walnuts. So we no need to add ghee again and again. We already have some ghee inside the pan. So this is enough of these things. So like that I will repeat all one by one. Later I am going to do cashew nuts. After that raisins and pistachios. We should not do too much, just lightly we have to fry. And we should not do dates fried. We have to mix just directly into the blender. Now I'm roasting cashew nuts. If you need some more ghee, you can add according to your wish. When you are doing cashew nuts and raisins, better to put in stove low flame. Now I am going to blend these varieties, these all nuts. First I will start with almond. Compared to these nuts, almonds have to be more fine blend. So first I will start with almonds. Now I am going to put this powder into this pan. Now I will do all nuts together. We can do all at the same time. But not dates. We can do dates after this. Now I am mixing dates. Now I greased my hand with a little bit ghee. If you want, you can add little bit honey. It's optional because normally dates and some nuts they have natural sweet, and I added raisins also. But if you want some more sweet, you can add honey. I'm adding little bit honey. Now I'm mixing with hand all together. We should not blend the nuts too much finely like that. If it's little bit, if we leave like this, it will be more nice. This is very nutrition food. Normally our children don't like to eat nuts sometimes. They don't like to chew those things. If you make like this with all varieties of nuts, they can eat easily. I'm sure they will like. Especially good for Ekadashi Prasada. Now I'm making like laddus. It's coming very nicely. Because of the dates, it's automatically stick together. Now our delicious dry fruits laddu ready for offering. Try these laddus at your home. Be healthy. Thanks for watching this video. Hare Krishna.